Very good morning. Very good morning. Dear students, today we will learn about experiential learning. What is experiential learning? What is the meaning of experiential learning? And how significant it is in the context of National Education Policy 2020. What is the nature and scope? After learning, after completion of this session, learners can understand the concept of experiential learning and can identify the significance of experiential learning, understand the nature scope of experiential learning. So, experiential learning. Do you observe this picture? He is experiencing it. He has the knowledge of it and he has a passion towards this and he is performing the skill. So, his three domains are engaged in this and continuously he is improving his work also, his skill also. So how it will happen? Through reflections. So let us go into the details. There is a famous quote by Confucius: I hear and I forget, I see and I remember, I do and I understand. So seeing, listening will not help us to retain the knowledge, making you perfect. So when you do only, and when you do it with the perfection, with the under supervision of some skilled people, with the reflections, will help you to be perfect and more skillful. So this is what Confucius stated, and also Edgar Dale in the Cone of Learning Experiences talked about. So what exactly it is? Experiential learning is the process of learning through experience and is more narrowly defined as learning through reflection on doing, which means you are learning it while doing. So not only you are learning while doing, but you are learning it through reflections while you are doing the work. It is the educational approach that emphasizes personal and practical experience in the acquisition of knowledge, skills, values, and attitudes. Finally, you will have the attitudinal change in you. So, the knowledge is used to perform a skill. Skill with repeated performance will make you more skillful, and the skill with reflections will make you perfect. And these are the values you equip, and also there will be an attitudinal change in you. Students are encouraged to develop a passion for learning and a thirst for knowledge by engaging in authentic experiences that allow them to learn what they need to know. Experiential learning entails a hands-on approach to learning that moves away from just the teacher in the classroom imparting and transferring their knowledge to students. It makes learning an experience that moves beyond the classroom and strives to bring a more involved way of learning. Meaning of experiential learning. Experiential learning is an educational philosophy which involves learning from experience. The process by which knowledge is created through the transformation of experience. Knowledge results from the combination of grasping and transforming experience. John Dewey, in 1915 itself, he discussed experiential learning as learning by doing, while Wolf used the term in 1975. Experience-based learning. Experiential learning exists when a personally responsible participant cognitively, effectively, and behaviorally processes the knowledge, skills, and attitudes in a learning situation characterized by a high level of active involvement. Let us look into the principles of experiential learning. It is based on what principles? Your learning is taken place in the real time, and you are accountable for it, and you have the responsibility towards it, and learning is immersive in nature. Learning is since it is a skill, lot of collaboration also is needed. It's a collaborative effort, and learning by doing. Learning is authentic. Learning is dynamic. Learning is interconnected, and learning is futuristic. So these are the principles of experiential learning. And if you look at what is the significance of this experiential learning, why we should learn through the experiences or while doing. So experiential learning promotes active and effective learning within and beyond the classroom. It helps to develop better comprehension, knowledge, and equips the learners with life skills, unique attitudes, values directly in real life learning place and space. Learners build knowledge through application and reflection. This not only creates motivation and interest, but also allows learners to deepen their understanding of subject matter and cultivate skills that can be applied in various practice environments or employment settings. Experiential learning provides learners with skills such as creativity, innovation, team collaboration, problem solving, critical thinking, etc. Learners feel empowered to use their knowledge and skills in contexts that aid their career development. Experiential learning provides learners with the opportunities to challenge themselves by engaging with complex real world issues, which helps the learners to build confidence, resilience, and self awareness. Nature. If you look at the nature, this is all you are thinking, you are acting, you are taking the experiences, and then you are reflecting. That's what is the cycle of your experiential learning. Experiential learning is a dynamic and interactive in nature. It involves active participation, hands-on experience, and reflection. Experiential learning engages the learners in real-world activities, experiments, simulations, projects to acquire knowledge and skill. Reflection on the experiences helps to deepen the understanding and allows learners to apply what they have learned in new situations. Experiential learning is often iterative, with the learners continuously refining their understanding through cycles of action and reflection. Scope of experiential learning. The scope of experiential learning is broad and encompasses various fields including education, professional development, personal development, and skill acquisition. So, it helps you to encompass the uh, it is encompasses various fields like your education, your professional development, and personal development, and also you'll be equipping with the skills. Formal and informal settings. Experiential learning is applicable in formal educational settings like classrooms, workshops, as well as informal settings like workshops, community organizations, outdoor activities. To teach wide range of subjects, experiential learning is used to teach wide range of subjects, science, history, to practical skills like leadership, teamwork, problem solving. versatile experiences you gain. Experiential learning also extends to adventure education, experiential tourism, and now it is the time to think and reflect upon how does experiential learning differ from traditional learning. Traditional learning methods in your own educational setting or the experience. Can you recall a moment where learning by doing had a stronger impact than reading or listening alone? And in what ways can you incorporate experiential learning into your current or future teaching practices? So let us discuss what is experiential learning and what it emphasizes, how actively we involve, how we reflect upon, and real world application, how do we do? Traditional learning often relies on passive reception of knowledge, lectures, textbooks. Reflective discussion allows learners to connect theory with practice, share diverse personal experiences, develop critical thinking and collaboration skills, bridges the gap between knowledge acquisition and practical application. The best way to get started is to quit talking and being doing. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Recording चल रहा है. Please.